Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you the Swiss undetectable HD lace wig, and this is a 24 inches customized Swiss HD lace wig with 13 by 4 lace frontal HD lace, and this is undetectable Swiss HD lace. You can see it's very much melted with any type of skin, no matter it's white or dark or yellow. So any type of skin it can melt. Either way, you can hardly find this lace on my hand. So this is pure genuine Swiss HD lace and undetectable lace. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and you can see inside this is for our Swiss HD lace 13 by 4. It's all full size 13 by 4 lace frontal. You can see this is very comfortable, and this type of lace is very comfortable and also full size, which give you much more parting space. So you can see, so compared with other 13 by 4, which only give you like 1 inch or 2 inches on the side, this one is a full size 13 by 4 HD lace. See, it's very nice hairline, and the this is customized wavy wig. This is a loose weave. We call it loose weave, and see how beautiful is this wavy. It's made of the remy hair, and you know that we have remy hair, we also have raw version hair, and both hair are great, and this one is made of remy hair. But if you want a raw version, or even premium hair, you can also customize with us. Any type of texture, any type of density, cap size, you can actually contact us and make the wig that you want. Any type of customization, we are able to do it for you. And see the lace and inside again. So this is inside, and with a elastic band and belt to adjust for the head size, so that you install it and glueless wig. So we also have transparent lace and any other type of lace. So you can feel free to contact us and place your order. Closure wig, frontal wig, lace wig, U-part wig, T-part wig, we all are able to make right now. So if you want best wig with best hair quality, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching today's video, and have a great day.